Hey everybody, Corey Diney, e-business marketing manager here at PIP. Today we're going to discuss how to search through your orders, invoices, and how to track a shipment. So up on top of your dashboard, you'll see the three icons: view orders, view invoices, and track shipments. If I click on view orders, it's going to go right to your page. You have a couple different options on how to search through them. So you have status first and foremost. You have canceled, open, and closed. You can put in your sales order number. You have a from and to date right here, range. I enter in a part number, job reference number, or purchase order number. If I go back to invoice history, you'll see same thing, same sort of options. So status, job reference, to, from, range, invoice number, invoice type, between credit and sales, and then purchase order number or sales order number. And on track shipments, very similar: to, from date, enter part number, purchase order number, sales order number, and shipment number. And if I search down here, it'll start populating below. So I'll give you a quick example. So if I go into view orders, I will go into close orders from, we'll go back a little ways here to the third, hit search. And what it's going to do is going to populate all your different line items right down here below. So we'll go to one that has a total on it. So we'll go to this item right here. And once this populates, it will give you the sold to, shipped to, and billed to information, as well as the cost up top. It'll give you all the line items that are on that order. And then you'll have a shipments tab over here to the right, and then with the tracking number as well. You click on this tracking number, go right to the UPS website and show you all the different tracking information that's available there. So if you have any questions on how to search orders, invoices, or how to track a shipment, feel free to give me a call. It's 518-595-1545. Thanks, and have a great day.